Hello everyone and welcome back to the Winken channel. Aircraft carriers are massive ships that serve as mobile air bases for military aircraft. They are designed to project military power across the world's oceans, and their crews are highly trained and dedicated individuals who work hard to maintain the ship's readiness at all times. In this video, we will take you on a tour of life inside an aircraft carrier and show you what it's like to live and work on board. The ship. Let's start with a brief overview of the ship itself. The aircraft carrier is a behemoth of a ship, measuring over 1,000 feet long and weighing over 100,000 tons. It has a crew of over 5,000 sailors and officers who work together to keep the ship running smoothly. The ship is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including radar systems, missile defense systems, and advanced communication equipment. It also has a massive flight deck that can accommodate dozens of aircraft, including fighter jets, helicopters, and surveillance planes. Living quarters. Now, let's take a look at the living quarters on board the ship. Space is at a premium on an aircraft carrier, so the living quarters are designed to be compact and efficient. Sailors and officers share small bunk rooms that are equipped with a bed, a locker, and a small desk. Privacy is limited, and noise from the ship's engines and operations can be a constant background noise. However, the living quarters are kept clean and well maintained by the crew, and many sailors form close bonds with their bunkmates. The mess hall, one of the most important places on board an aircraft carrier, is the mess hall. This is where sailors and officers come to eat, relax, and socialize. The mess hall is open 24/7, and there's always something to eat, whether it's a full meal or just a snack. The food is prepared by highly trained chefs who work hard to ensure that the sailors and officers are well fed and healthy. The mess hall is also a place where sailors can unwind after a long day, watch movies, or play games. Work on board. Now let's talk about the work that goes on board the aircraft carrier. The crew is divided into various departments, including navigation, engineering, communications, and aviation. Each department has its own responsibilities and tasks, and the crew members work together to ensure that the ship is ready for any mission. The work on board can be challenging and demanding, and the crew members work long hours and often under high pressure. However, the camaraderie and sense of purpose among the crew make the work rewarding. Flight operations. One of the most impressive sights on an aircraft carrier is flight operations. This is when the ship's aircraft take off and land on the flight deck. The flight deck is a busy and dangerous place, with aircraft taking off and landing every few minutes. The crew works together to ensure that the aircraft are launched and recovered safely, and that the flight deck is cleared quickly in between operations. It's a highly coordinated effort that requires precision and discipline. Conclusion. In conclusion, life inside an aircraft carrier in the middle of the sea is a unique and challenging experience. The crew works hard to keep the ship running smoothly and to ensure that the aircraft are ready for any mission. The living quarters are compact but comfortable, and the mess hall is a place where sailors can relax and socialize. Flight operations are a sight to behold, and the crew works together to ensure that they are conducted safely and efficiently. Thank you for joining us on this journey through life inside an aircraft carrier in the middle of the sea. It's a fascinating world that requires dedication, teamwork, and discipline. The crew of an aircraft carrier is made up of highly skilled and committed individuals who work tirelessly to keep the ship and its aircraft ready for any mission. We hope you gained a new appreciation for the hard work and sacrifices that go into maintaining an aircraft carrier and the crucial role it plays in keeping our country safe. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.